Hey guys, this is a 2017 Subaru Outback, and I'm going to show you guys how to replace the battery. Okay, looks like someone's replaced the battery one time before. So what you need is a number 10. Okay, the 10 will do all of it for you. This is the negative. Loosen that, and this thing battery cable will come off from here. It's clipped onto here. You can go ahead and gotta love Subaru. Okay, that's the negative battery terminal. And here's the positive. I'm going to remove this one as well. Put that behind you. Now, there's a 10 right here. It's a bolt. Literally a bolt. And there's one on this side too. 2 bolts. Remove those. And if your battery has a handle, great. If not, you have to pick it up by this way. This one has a handle. And it literally just comes out like that. And this thing looks like the battery acid is eating it. We'll clean this up real quick and then we'll put it all back together. Battery going back in. Your tray is there. This guy goes in like this. The negative terminal is towards the front of the car. The positive is towards the back. This guy, this little thingy, sits over here. Go underneath it. It goes right like that. Okay. One bolt goes in here. As you hand tight that, and then the other bolt goes over here, and then use a 10 and just tighten them down both sides. Solid, secure. And then we'll go and hook up our positive cable. Tighten that. It's not moving. Put the cap back on that. Negative terminal. Come around. Pop that into there. And put that down like that. Tighten that right there. And that's how you replace the battery on an Outback. 2015 to 18. I believe even 19 is all the same. Shouldn't take you more than 5-10 minutes to replace it. Again, if you got presets in the car as far as like radio stations, memory in the seats, all that stuff, it will be reset. Other than that, if you got like music stored in your or phone records, books, whatever, Bluetooth paired to your unit, it'll be fine. That's very simple. Watch for more videos, guys. We're gonna put this Outback together tomorrow, so we'll make content on how to remove the bumpers and headlights and everything else we can get our hands on. So thanks for watching.